So what is BatteryMINDer? BatteryMINDer is a smart charger, maintainer, and desulfator made for aviation batteries. It's FAA certified for Gill and Concorde batteries. When should I use it? Anytime your aircraft isn't being flown regularly. Just hook it up and leave it on to charge your battery. So what kind of batteries does it work with? Any 12-volt lead-acid aviation battery. How long can I leave it connected? Indefinitely. It auto switches to maintenance mode when the battery charge is full. So how does it work? It analyzes, charges, desulfates, and maintains your battery automatically. Can it charge more than one battery at a time? Yes, with the optional multi-bank setup, you can charge up to 4 batteries at once. Does it extend battery life? Yes, by preventing sulfation, it can double or even triple your battery's life. So what's the bottom line? Plug it in, leave it on, and fly with confidence with BatteryMINDer. Get yours today at pilotjohn.com.